In this video we're going to take a look at the added functionality from TOPDON regarding the old generation 9.5. So previously you couldn't do this on the older Saab cars, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and this is Tech and Cars. So in a recent update, TOPDON added the old generation 9.5, the 9.3 sports sedan to their coverage list. So now it's possible to do diagnostic on both the old generation 9.5 and the old generation 9.3. Previously you could only do it on the NG 9.5 and the 9.4X. Nice job TOPDON, keep it up. So in this video we're going to explore the functionality in the Artidiag 900 Lite with the old generation 9.5. So let's go. So let's see what the Artidiag 900 Lite can do in the old generation 9.5. So the engine is running, ignition is on. Let's go into diagnostics. Let's see what we have here. We have a network issue, it said. Well, I can enable Wi-Fi. I think I have a hotspot running on the phone actually. Yeah, so the instrument is connected to Wi-Fi just in case. You know how these new instruments are. Let's find Saab here. Here we have it. Let's try automatic, turn the ignition on, it's on. Let's read the VIN and see what happens. So as I mentioned previously, you couldn't do this in the old generation 9.5 because you only had support for the new generation 9.5 and the 9.4X, I believe. So nice work, TOPDON. So let's see what we get here. Alright, so we have the VIN, great, let's confirm that. It's a 9.5, 2005, great. So let's see, we have hot functions here. Scanning Trionic. We have the automatic headlight leveling system. So let's see what we can do with that one. It's a left-hand drive. Well, actually, we got strange. We got into another menu with more functionality. Seat calibration, keys, oil reset, throttle adaptation, and so on. Just to see if we can do anything here. Let's see if we have anything in the. Okay. Rear heated seat activation time, belt warning sound. What can we do? Currently it's off. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what more we can do. We have the keys, learn transponders and remotes. I'm not going to do that now. Yeah, I want to exit, but that's a nice function. Could come in handy. We have the odometer. Not sure what we can do with that one. Off and on. We have the. I don't have any EGR or DPF in this car. Steering angle sensor. Okay, so it failed to communicate with the module. Confirming. And the throttle adaptation, Trionic. Okay, let's see what happens. So I can do some change in the idling RPM here, increase and decrease only, seems. Oil reset, that's the regular service reset message. AFS, the xenon headlights calibration, cool. So I have to have the vehicle on a level ground, of course. Currently it's really not, so I'm not going to do the calibration right now, but I could do it with the instrument, it seems. So that's nice. Let's go back and see if we can do an auto scan here. So we have a few modules here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can do an auto scan. So it's scanning all the modules in the car, and let's see if we have any issues. And you have the progress here, 25%. So we turn the climate system on. I'm going to turn that off in just a few seconds when it's done doing the scan. There was one DTC. %, 70. You do have a lot of modules in here that the instrument can communicate with. It says airbag here. Third row right seat belt pre-tensioner deployment control. Let's clear that one because yeah, I need to turn the ignition on and then off. Yeah, okay. Well, it cleared it. Okay. I don't really know why I had this fault code. Maybe due to disconnecting some harnesses in the car, because I haven't seen the airbag icon in the instrument cluster. Cool, so we have a lot of modules here that the instrument can read, which is great. So now we can rely on the Artidiag 900 Lite as well. So it has support for the older Saabs. Let's do an exit here and see what we can, if we manually can select a car now. We can go all the way back to 98, as you see here, to the 95, also the 93, and the new generation 93 that came back in 2003, the 93 Sport. Yeah, we have support for that one as well, which is awesome. So, and in 2010 we have the, or in 11 we have the new 95 as well, 94X. 2012 we have the 93, the 95, the 94X as well. So that's really good. Nice work, TOPDON. So this came in a recent update, as I mentioned, a few months ago. So if you have this instrument and you're curious about the old generation 95, make sure you update the instrument to the latest software. Yeah, cool. So we got some hot functions here, which is really nice because sometimes you actually need to do stuff like that. Let's try the vehicle profile. Yeah, hot functions again, scanning So let's see what happens when we scan for hot functions from the beginning. We get this menu, which is a bit strange though. I think we went into the AHL spare part. So no matter what we pick in the hot functions, we do get to the different service functionality. Let's see if we can access this from the start screen. Yeah. Maintenance. Well, here we have the complete maintenance functionality. Let's see if we pick something here that I know we have. We have the oil. Okay, you get into the European menu or Asian or whatever you want to use, and then you need to pick your brand. All right. And then you get back into the same menu. Okay. So I do hope you found the test here useful for seeing the functionality in the Artidiag 900 Lite in the Saab old generation 9.5. So now you know what you can do with the Artidiag 900 Lite in the Saab old generation 9.5. And also if you have the 9.3 Sports Sedan, you can do diagnostics. I haven't had the possibility to try this on the 9.3 SS yet. But as you saw, you can do different scans on the modules and you have some hot functions as well. So that's a nice addition, TOPDON. And by the way, you can also choose Swedish language now in the instrument. They have a bit more to work on regarding the translations, I think. So I would stick with the English language. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and drive safe.